Hello, and welcome to DIY DWC. This is the voice of your host for this mini-series, recording from beautiful Canada. Our focus here is sharing what we've learned on our growing journey, and we'd like to share with you, just like you've shared with us. Everything that we've learned has come from the internet, and we'd like to give back to it. This mini video series focuses on small space marijuana growing, perfect for those in apartment dwellings. Here, we'll talk about how plants behave, nutrients, the tools used to monitor plant vitals, some quick automation, and a simple DWC setup. Whichever platform you're watching this on, we hope you engage in a positive communal aspect, learn something, pay it forward, and have plenty of bountiful harvests in your future. Without further ado, let's jump in. Our featured product is the inexpensive VIVOSUN 203 cubic feet per minute 4-inch inline fan. The test will demonstrate what the fan sounds like on full speed, low speed, back to full speed, and when turned off, how long it takes to wind down. The fan has been reliable, running with no issues since bought new about a year ago off of Amazon, and has been running for 80% of the time since it's been in our grow tent. It does an excellent job at either bringing air into the tent or pulling air out, albeit maybe too good of a job. The two things which we don't like about this fan are the high sound level at which it operates, and the quantity of air moved. After a year, we found it to be too loud for our comforts, and it's probably too big for our tent. We find it pulls out too much air, needing to constantly monitor tent vitals and fill the humidifier. Overall, for small apartment growing, we give this fan a 4 out of 10 rating, as though the fan is dependable, the sound level is simply too loud. If your growing location is in a space where sound is not an issue, then I'd highly recommend this fan simply for its dependency. If interested in this product, please consider using the affiliate links below, which at no cost to you benefits us, as Amazon contributes to us for marketing this product. In this test video, what you'll hear is an exaggerated sample of the sound this fan makes, as the microphone is located 2 centimeters away from the fan. This aims to give you a feel, as if you were to put your ear up to the fan, attempting to give an unbiased sound sample, giving the listener discretion as to what it would sound like from different positions. All other devices, except for the air pump, in the tent have been turned off, which can be heard as a sound reference in the beginning of the test. We did not turn off the air pump, because in a DWC grow-up, without the air pump, the roots will drown. Thank you, and catch you on the next one. Warning: keep volume low. The fan is off, and what you'll hear for the first 6 seconds of the video clip is the reference to silence. The only device on in the tent is the air pump. Total observation time is approximately 5 minutes.